Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Panasonic inverter AC and it has a display screen, and you are facing some problem with the display light at night, you have to turn off that light and you have to continue like this. But your AC remote does not have display on-off button, so today I will show you how to turn on or off the display of AC with the hidden button of Panasonic remote. So let's start the video. So first of all we turn on our AC. Now if you press and hold the temperature now button for 3 seconds, your display will turn off but the AC will keep running. Now if you again press and hold the up button of the timer for 3 seconds, your display will turn on. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.